Hey guys, it is Kayla Waller with Waller Adventure, and today we're going magnet fishing in Cypress Grove Park. It is pretty close to downtown Orlando, and it's a pretty busy day because it's a Saturday. There is a whole bunch of people out here. So we are going to see what we can catch. Alright, it's a little busy today, so I got my live mic on me so you can just hear me and no one else around me. I drug the magnet around here. I got a nice nut, and I got a hook, and a whole bunch of fishing line. A screw. I got a nail, and I got a little bit of other pieces of metal. Another screw. Got some more hooks and a nail. And a whole bunch of fishing line. Just had to yank my magnet out because I got hung. Nice. Got a big huge washer. Another nail. Got more nails. So I just pulled the 600-pound magnet along the edge. See what we get. Got more washers and a whole bunch of sludge. Got a washer, and that's a piece of, looks like just a piece of metal. The magnet is really, really heavy. Oh my God. Holy crap. It's a big, huge bolt. Oh my gosh. The biggest thing we found. Got a bobber. Put that in the tackle box. Check out that fishing line I'm hooked on. It's a lot of it. Oh my God. Oh! Wow. I don't know what this is. It might be, I don't know. I don't know what this is. If y'all know what this is, let me know in the comments. It's got a point on the end of it. It's got a little notch right there. I just pulled that up with my magnet. Jeez. Wow. Alright guys, we're going to wrap it up here at Cypress Grove Park. We found a whole bunch of awesome artifacts. So we will show them to you once we get to the house. Alright guys, after stopping at Hot Dog Heaven for some lunch, we are back at the house and we got all of our finds cleaned up. We got a nice bobber. We got a whole bunch of fishing hooks. You can see we have a whole bunch of screws and nails. We have 2 washers. We got a nut. And the biggest thing we found today is a big, huge bolt. I'm guessing they did some renovations to their dock. So that's why we found a whole bunch of nails and bolts and washers. But I also found this. I have no idea what it is. It might just be a piece of metal off of something, off some tools or something. I have no idea. Thanks for watching this magnet fishing video. If you enjoyed this video, you should check out our other ones on our YouTube channel. We will be going back to Cypress Grove Park and try to go fishing. We met a guy out there while we were magnet fishing, and he said he's caught a couple of bluegill out there. So we will try to go back out there again to do some fishing. So we will be recording that one as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon. Hey guys, did you enjoy that magnet fishing video? Then check us out on our YouTube channel at Waller Adventures. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get notified on when we post more videos. Also, check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching. See you soon.